So what up? This is c.e.s from Sidetrack Sessions. We're about to get into another video. For this one, it's going to be on how you use the highlighter on a prior video that I made on how to start chopping it up. So right here, we're going to get into the window capture. Now, when you go into highlighting, again, the ones that say watch are already highlights. And the one that you need to highlight, you would click the highlight button. Now, when you're in the highlighter section, you want to name the title of that certain highlight that you're trying to make right now. The yellow section is what part of the video is going to be highlighted. You want to name the category that it's under. And this purple number right here is how many highlights you're working on. So down below here, you don't want to click publish highlights. That's when you're completely done with all of the different sections. And I'll show you as we go on as to when you hit that button. But just don't get into the habit of making that button the go-to when you're done with your first highlight, because you can make 5 different highlights and then publish them all. So from the beginning, I'm just going to get rid of this so you guys can see. So from this point, just to explain, this is undo, redo, delete, cut, and then a new segment. This is the play button. This is preview selected segment. Time to the start button where you want the segment to start, and then the end time and the end button of what you want it to start. The keyboard shortcut is right above. This whole yellow section is your highlight. More than likely, your highlight's going to look like this. To zoom in to see how fine-tuned you can make it, use these magnifying glasses or modify the zoom range on here. To display stream markers or the clips will be to the right of that. To display the stream markers will be right here that you've had in the past using the creator dashboard, or the clip markers if any are available that somebody else clipped while you were live. You can add a new highlight here and it's going to show you the second highlight, which again you can change the category and the title. And once you publish these, those are the ones you want to share on Twitter and get people to see the best portions of your show and get used to what they're going to get into when they come and watch you live. So that's pretty much it on that aspect. But use that highlighter as a way of promotion, marketing, get people to see the best part of your show. Pick and choose, and once people are in for the ride, they can decide at that moment if they're going to watch you for the rest of the show. But just give them that aspect. If they do like you, eventually they'll start sticking around for the live show. That's it. I go by c.e.s. Definitely check out twitch.com/scessions. I do a freestyle improv beat selection. You guys can tell me what you want me to sample, and I'll make a beat from it and freestyle to it. But besides that, appreciate y'all checking out the tutorials. Have a good rest of the night. Peace. I appreciate y'all checking out the show. Have a good rest of the night. Peace.